Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look at another fresh arrival. This one, a Reflection 303 RLS, beautiful fifth wheel from our friends at Grand Design. Let's take a big step back here and take a look at the exterior. You've got two awnings on this one over the camping area and one here over the slide, so you can really create a nice big outdoor space to enjoy your campsite entertainment. One of the features I like about this unit that we don't talk about often enough are these stairs. They are fold over stairs, so sometimes with these kind of kickstand style steps, having the ability to fold those over and get the debris off makes it nice and easy to fold those up into the unit and keep everything nice and clean on the inside. So again, this is the 303 RLS, very comparable to the 295 RL, which is our top seller, but this one gives you a little bit more space. You're going to need a little bit more truck to tow this one, but if you're setting yourself up on a seasonal lot or you're looking to do some long-term camping, this unit gives you a little more space, and we'll show you why with that third slide here in a moment. So, nice big island kitchen, high-rise matte black finish on the fixtures. You've got a 3-burner cooktop with a nice spacious oven underneath. Storage below, storage to the right, residential size microwave, and a residential size double door fridge. Gives you all kinds of room to keep your food when you're away, and for your dry goods you've got a nice pantry space there as well. Entertainment center, TV built in already to this unit. You've got a nice big electric fireplace with some storage to the left and right of the entertainment unit. You can see that there through the smoke glass window. You've got a tri-fold couch here at the back of the unit that's going to fold out to create a nice double bed. I talk about it a lot, but the Grand Design layout with the electrical system and the plugs on either side, storage on either side, just very convenient, well thought out layout for the electrical system here so that you can plug your devices in, charge things, get your blenders and whatnot all set up and ready to camp. Nice panoramic wraparound windows here at the back of the unit, but that repeats itself here in the slide. You've got a nice Thomas Paine recliner to sit and enjoy your entertainment space. Storage above. Nice big window off the dinette. One of these chairs is going to be a storage chair, so you can actually flip that up, store a few things underneath there, maybe keep your cards and whatnot there. You've got a storage ottoman as well, which is really nice and well thought out. So that's your secondary space to sit and enjoy your dinette, but you can order a couple of extra chairs and use that ottoman back here to give yourself a footstool. Same as the 295 RL. All kinds of space in this one. You get a little extra floor space in this unit versus the 295. You get a nice big coffee bar here with all kinds of storage and some storage above. Really love the new look of that backsplash. And again, the plugs on either side at the coffee bar just gives you lots of options in terms of your use. Coming up into the bedroom, this is the big difference here. There's a slide out here in the bedroom. You've got a walk-around queen bed, nice new LED wall sconces on either side, storage above. You still got a window on this side of the camper in the slide out. Got another window over here, storage on either side. And a nice wardrobe slide. So we're gonna step over here to get a better look at that. But that gives you a little bit of extra space passing into the bathroom area from the bedroom and gives you some more space to store some clothes. Corner shower unit, you can see the matte black finish on the shower itself. And a foot flush toilet as you walk through here. Nice linen closet there. Corner medicine cabinet, another matte black finish there on the faucet in the sink, and some storage below. So this has been a quick look at the Reflection 303 RLS, the 2023 edition. Some updates to the colors, just great feature set from Grand Design. This has been a quick walkthrough. Come on in and see us folks at Leisure Time Sales in Quispamsis, or our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton. We've got all kinds of new units arriving daily, and with those come in some fresh trades, give you some opportunities for some pre-owned pieces as well. Hope to see you soon.